Achin Swataman 1-0 and R2 show 1-0. It's matches here, Macan 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. He says you about 7 matches.
7, yeah.
Where has first 7 matches last season. Has first 7 matches. Mediema, Gold Stars, Samates, Dreams, Bofwakwa in Swatamana RTU. Out of the 7 matches, 7 times 3 more 21. Meboa.
Yeah.
Okay. Out of the 7 matches, Nahas enya 9 points.
There's a Omulusu 12 points.
Yes, Omunya 9 points. Okay. 2024-2025 Ghana Premier League season. Afi. Matches near about 7. Has about 7. Chakotoko any Legon Cities na about 6-6.
Yes.
Okay.
It's more outstanding. 30th October.
Has first league game Baseke Holy Stars Echo Share has 1-0 Ewa Accra Sports Stadium. Heart of Lions Eshe has 2-0 Ewo Pando. Has Eshe Bechem United 2-0 Ewo Legon. Has any Nations Ewo Dr. Kwame Chase Sports Stadium 0-0. Has any Adriana Accra Sports Stadium 0-0. Has Echo Share Young Apostles 2-1 Ewo Wenchi. And a has now no question there. Omni Dreams FC ebo 0-0. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This almost first 7 matches of last season. Omunya 9 points no. Has first 7 matches this season. Omunya 9 points. It's improvement in a way.
Yeah, now Kasa from the backdrop say a shake season as an Omulu see the first 2 games, which is against Basake and a Heart of Lions. Intino say Basake Free Division 1 be show. Na Heart of Lions so last season was already gaining promotion. Essential there and I say a worst moment I had to forget me remedy. So to me rise from South 4 no now be she became 2-0. Only Nations board draw. Now near Adriana a board draw. Now she Young Apostles yeah. And I say a improvement from the first 2 games you know as compared to the latter ones now Obono. Tino Mejidi say be no pare kasa from that point of view. But say be a comparison from last season in this season there then you'd say some more than Bonnie Epe. But it be 2 games Omulu see from the start of the season no. And no hen say more than Bonnie.
Obi ehwe ni mu ne say. The 2 House of Folk last season no afi e bin to omo. Ana meboa.
Oh yes.
Okay. Mamemfo mu nua Kotoko nye example. Say ne Dr. Prosper na Togum. And I say, Kotoko communication director bia.
David. Communication.
Do the enfani so bi wo IMC nim. E ba bontin say oh. Ye hu improvement e we team nim a one ne be ya adwene because over last season the Kotoko. For mo first 7 matches, 6. Now after this season no mo first 6 matches a. Who say omo modern bone kosoro. Nti ubetimi aka say at a point Kotoko so mutimi kwa akwada relegation no so omammo so even at 6 matches kwa no more second our league log no it's massive improvement. They have supporters ehwe any mu ne say yemmo season no enwie no ha sense fighting for relegation asema make an solo tie
me tie pa boss
nti say o can about improvement me dey make catch Kwame Opare Addo say bibia sesan omo so you could say last season there na pre Zakito Zak
go
young
yes utie Opare what to compare in terms of how almost started league you know so us started with Holy Stars Omulu to Holy Stars 1-0 and a Lions show 2-0 until their first 3 games. The third one became no until now after 9 points now or more just 3 points. Until after that, why maybe Opare will be saying the things that he's saying is after losing the first 2 games, as look they've gone 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 games without a defeat, 2 wins and 3 drawn games from the last one. You know, from that aspect, you agree with him say they are improving because the team that lost its first 2 games now is unbeaten. But there's another aspect that you look at it and say, no, is it what kind of improvement are we looking at as like as a folk senka improvement be ne nke be here House of Folk because now the number of points that they had last season after 7 matches they 9 and remember
9
and it was here the same 9 and he said they have not been progress
compared to last season.
Yes, compare last season now baby omujina and yes ana me sure say this is kind of the type of improvement House of Folk want but now they would have wished said nanka points now appreciate more than what they are having now. Now Captain Taka said me about when House of Folk were House of Folk Kwame Opare League, you know. Listen, Opare League into associates in India, not because they were better than yes, they have no better, no good. But yet didn't take away the Accra teams in the factor out of when House of Folk were winning the league that time, no. Only the 10 crying about 5-6 teams one crying. I'm not sure be a points from behind him. But I would say House of Folk 4 games from Dreams FC. Only your own one Accra. Dreams FC on one Accra. Go goes as Accra. You go away to Lions Accra. Then no more the next home match also Accra. And 4 matches. Niya a greater Accra. And when Has was Has. These are fixtures that out of 12 points, number 10. And the first match about draw against Dreams FC. We expect a Gold Stars. No, I say a Lions because they are also playing at the Lagos Stadium. Then you win your next home match. What appreciate it? I think that yes, you agree. So all from per results there. Yes, draw against Dreams FC away. The money problem. They say Dreams are not even playing at their home because Tuba. Obey Dreams like the when Omko Tuba and ne venue that Obi Fisenka has a team question. Young apostles here will give it to them because after when for you to go to Wentu and go and beat your even though they are newly promoted side, but you give us folk that credit. But also my guess Adriana nations how Mugelina ending the draw made I think say House of Folk there will not be any better chance for them to climb up the top than almost 3 games, you know. How the Dreams can win 4 now more bonina or greater Accra, you know. These are points that House of Folk agent and answer. Jibo, they should be winning all these points. They can be able to appreciate on the league log. We will see them because so far, watch it. From Paul Manson's Gold Stars are. Say Kotoko one of the best defense in the league so far. Even though Omabo 6 games, that can now 7. Only 2 goals conceded this season by Kotoko. They can go stars someone 3, Mediama 3, Brokum Chelsea 3, Obaba Benya Nations 3. And to open the best defense in the league so far, Asante Kotoko with just 2 goals conceded in the league. And the next one begin goal stars 3. And the other one somewhat 3. Like I say, Adeba mas how he's not conceding. Now Obia Jenko so say from Paul Manson no defending in general is one attribute of the coaching how to defend. The oil
now from Bonda
from Bon say H you know Oboko like free system no kakra fine center back that time now o free system no
match way
se me nkaka se national team say at least I me hwe no unze me nkaka match ni but
even ball your ball 92 we some blasters go amobi mo
98 don go
98 that way
you go
Burkina 98
sure
David 98 that from Pon retire
96
one South Africa
aza
one South Africa say ono ye Kotoko about Champions League final 93 no obo the following season and them so course a kata was a baby nti from by 90 osaba back bi but to buy one check From Paul by assistant, Kwame Kotoko, retire.
I talk about Kotoko Bedma.
Yeah, be a corner 98 no one enough from Pond, the born not copy. I doubt.
As a man, okay.
Poor man, so dear.
I watch him. I'll remember Michelle Cra. No, say, and to wish it, I know what a bone. Obia, opposite Sass, from Paul Manswa, go and watch before Quatano. Go Stars. You understand, said the oil goes and the fluke.
Yeah.
Because as at the time, now number for air Pamlono. So, okay, last time, and I will give an obono. Or call the answer. What's it? Obeyado, not before the first one. From Thomas, and make issues before what time about realization. Obeyado, Tarino, Okosunani. It's before problems started coming. When they sacked from Pomanso and the crime them, hey, be about Panyano. Now look at Go Stars on my way game this season. Omuko Nations Ecobo 1-1. Omuko Samates Ecobo 1-1. Omuko Out of Lions Ecobo 0-0. And all the away games Omundu Gugu. And that thing that from Pomanso no oya no by Felix before what no. And all about Go Stars. Very compact away, very solid defensively. They are not giving you spaces for you to get a, And I think that who's a coach in here, and the coach I also prep me now. They are more for this. That Omutian was to keep the ball and play.
Yeah.
And I have a coach I want
to tell us about who will coach us and
Sadia no sound now and performance have shown already. Sadi defender no. The first thing is I'll make sure my team defends better. Then the next thing is that young queen one say essential. It's Ghosters are playing very well. It has a folk. Opare, we've seen you've not lost in your last 5 games, but the number of points that much good in your last 5 games, well the last 5 say 6
has last 5 games.
8 points, right?
Okay. Yeah, sure. My last 5 games.
9 points. 9 points.
Has last 5 games. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. A starting free Bichim.
Has last 5 games. Bichim win.
Almost Bichim 2-0. And almost draw against Nations. And almost Adriana board draw. And almost Young Apostles 2-1. And only Dreams board 0.
So 9 out of 15.
Yeah. So almost last 5. Almost
out 6.
And see, almost to 6 at Wakene. And I think Obia would like to see Hearts winning against Hearts for Obia want them to win against Gold Stars. Now I'm about Enya and easy game based on how from Pomanso set up a team and how they are playing, Enya and easy game for them. But let's see, be able to me, I possible. Jimo, Gaka, Raji. It's all no one with the matches of Kotoko. So we are very good, some short spell with Kotoko, and I return man Okoye. But the truth is that since he left the shores of Ghana, it has been struggles. And said establishing at any club that Okoye. He can come back if he's fit. Can come back because Kotoko Maroko Blasters.
Yeah.
This is the level that this boy was able to reach playing for Kotoko. Blasters in Edinokoye. And if or fit, he's possible he can come back and relaunch his career with Kotoko. Akoye Diamomo. Isaac Minta, last season 9 goals in the number of shot. Matches be no one of those strikers now. He's very strong. He holds the balls very well and plays. And I think that who said Kotoko need to reinforce our anyone. Time now, Abdul Karim. Nkofo onyado wo bo ba kwa do bi sakwa no bo umana time obabua sakwa no di kan plan mo visa me mo ta mo kuruma sei me kokora nto bo ba kwa fire obawu so obabo Kotoko with the area ability no so omu a it will help amu obi ebo na baso a sana obowe ya na yebo na baso nya no di kan say ye na baso nya say mo visa mo bo ni bi me ko orudwa no koye eti they will need someone with that area presence in the 8-year boss, and Kwame Opare has it. Isaac Minta also was our area presence now. They can help Abanta for Amwa now. Abomu Mode was season. So far, them visit say unya saga so omunya free ebia say we can it is a salary na o memana koso kakra because they are coming if omo form no sanity they are coming with a big name that salary no do tuanye afi no go to transfer fee am obi antino say obenya azigminta no nya Kwame Pokum jibo no omunya no full fit na say ne nim omo no because me say metako Libya and I was say ko Tripoli BB Tripoli na say Ali Tripoli na say answer anfa and he all ten until these two rooms jibo they will be a very good addition if they are fit. Kotoko said they can impare Fatah few issue be they should do proper medicals and make sure that these guys are fit to play. Now, Obek Sunday we na kofa task and back and forth be but you know if they are fit in one day no one based on what they did before. Minta the last year he was one of the best strikers in the league before he traveled. And only immediately you want we kind last season we are for the stars.
Okay.
It is good additions if only they are fit in quad. I think they to be a very good addition to the squad.
Alasan Said Zakito Medasi. Say Obed.
Yeah.
Yankoi.
Ghana can come on. Plus Ghana football come on. Mr. Kujo Fianu Ejumaye. The game against Gold Stars. On say I am Newton on a video analyst ma Gold Stars.
Newton Kesbe.
Yeah, Newton Kesbe. Na
no mediama.
Mediama na loan.
Loan say.
On say mediama ko Africa no. Na omo be rente no. Every Gold Stars. Nti eduma the permission and oko mediama for the Africa. The after Africa na. What's our
there's a Newton Zika say was so.
Na me kai say transfer window ni bi no. Na ye discussion na. Or kase Gold Stars SSM. Na most of the players na omenyini no ani ade no. And onyo omenyini kro mo ma league na che no. They will, most of them will leave. Ombe fa nkwala abeshim. And nkwala na the resource brom. The has team no. Omenye very careful. Gold Stars fro ho no moda no. Enya tumbes. Jibo. Because many needing a lot of conversation about that. Enya tumbes. A well structured team. From defense to attack. Unza makati ne we nyina any team no say. Bana hine pra. Why surgery? Ena makati so pry ba wa so aba.
Ba makati dey say coach ne mpeno. Good. There's no more issue be that way. Say you hope I on peno. Mpeno.
Jibo, enkwala na Gold Stars the omo ball. So watch their game against Samates. After 80th minute no more share go. Against Nations after 80 no more share. Omni aduana, omni ba ku pin aduana so ye be wie game no. Enkwala na omo woni nti no. Ye be pon a hokra no mu jana so. Enti Opare Addo ne has team no. Omo tutu omo ne because omo dia last since the Gold Stars ko show.
Yeah.
Oh akra. Omo masa revenge.
Omo bo 1-1.
Omo show omo.
Last season.
Yes, Mauli wayo na share.
Sir.
Mauli wayo na work house no na share. On say Gold Stars ya drama ni free.
You know mo board draw. Ewo baby ani.
On say ya drama ni free ho. Mauli wayo free ho. Abed na go tete free ho. Amofa free ho. Odoy bi no a left back. Onu su free ho. Ibrahim La e free ho. Prince Kwab na usu e free ho. Players ni free ho. And I'm going to na yeding about bishop.
Oh, but as captain,
tough game.
Integrity is key here. Allow you Ragia or calling meeting. Where lies the integrity?